Today we're going to drive over to the Museum of Science History in Jacksonville, Florida to go to the 2020 Mini Maker Faire. They've run a small Maker Faire there for years, and every year they add a few extra things, and so we're going to go check it out. We're thinking about actually being there in person next year with a table, but we're going to recon it this time. The Museum of Science and History in Jacksonville started as the Children's Museum back in 1969. It's a beloved science museum, and I can remember going there in the early 70s, back when I lived in the Jacksonville area on field trips. And I always thought it was cool because the building looks like one of the Space 1999 buildings, which was also out around that time. So it was all super science fiction and stuff to me. But after all these years and many expansions, the name of it now is the Museum of Science and History. MOSH, that's what everybody calls it. So we're going to go down to the MOSH and we're going to check out the Maker Faire. Let's hop in the car and go. So that's the Jacksonville Maker Faire. It's a great thing to go check out. If you haven't been to a Maker Faire, definitely go. There's so many things to see, even at the small ones. Just go meet and talk to people. They make things like you do, and it's really great. Hey, once again, thank you so much to our patrons that help us out on this channel. We love you. And if you like what you see here, like and subscribe.